My Kohler 17 horsepower Model CV490S won't start. Battery is charged. Engine turns overs. No spark. Have already replaced spark plug. If at high throttle, engine backfires after about 30 seconds of cranking. Fuel line is fine. Any suggestions?
Welcome to Just Answer Small Engines. Let me try to help you. If no spark, locate the coil next to the flywheel and remove the small wire. This is the kill wire. Check for spark again. If no spark with kill wire removed, the coil is bad.
Okay, do I just have to take off the various bolts around the cover of the flywheel to get to it?
Yes.
No spark with ground removed, so I'll order new solenoid. Any issue with the flywheel contacts being rusty? Not solenoid, I mean coil.
There is magnet in the flywheel. If it will hold screwdriver, it can be rusty. It should not kill spark. Thank you. Answer in a positive manner.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert, now visit justanswer.com/ythi.